Hey there, sun-kissed beauties! Are you ready to beat the heat and achieve that coveted summer glow? Look no further because in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top summer skincare tips to keep your skin healthy, hydrated, and radiant all season long. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Conti Herbal's YouTube channel. I'm Rakshitha, your skincare guide through every season, and today I'm excited to help you conquer the summer skincare woes. From sun protection to hydration hacks, we've got everything you need to ensure your skin stays flawless under the summer sun. Stay sun safe. Summers mean lots of sun, right? But too much sun can harm our skin. So, always wear sunscreen when you step out. Look for one with SPF 30 or higher and apply it every 2 hours. Don't forget your ears, neck, and hands when applying sunscreen. They need protection too. Hydration is key. It's super important to drink plenty of water in the summer. It keeps our skin hydrated from the inside out and helps flush out toxins. Apart from water, load up on juicy fruits like watermelon and cucumber. They're not only yummy, but also great for your skin. Lightweight skincare routine. Swap your heavy moisturizers for lightweight ones in the summer. Heavy creams can make your skin feel greasy and sweaty. Also, use gel-based or water-based products. They feel refreshing on the skin and won't clog your pores. Cooling DIYs. Let's talk about some cool DIYs to pamper your skin. Aloe vera gel is your BFF in summer. It soothes sunburns and hydrates your skin. Another easy DIY is a cucumber face mask. Just blend cucumber and apply it to your face for a refreshing treat. Alright folks, those were some easy-peasy tips to keep your skin happy this summer. Remember, skincare doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few simple steps can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and keep glowing. This is Rakshitha signing off.